More space, lower power bills, and a park just around the corner. That's a dream, right? This is Varsha from Ray White, and welcome to Riverstone.
Feeling this way.
This 4-bedroom townhouse on the 256 square meters of land offers spacious bedrooms, 2 living areas, and a solar panel with battery for a smarter living. This home is perfect for first home buyers or investors. I look forward to seeing you at the open home.